to episode whatever number this is, 7, 8, 9, 4 or 5, can't remember. I'm a bit behind at the minute, so you'll probably find that this video is posted after the other ones. I've got episode 6 or whatever it is coming up still. I'm still working on it. I think actually it's nearly done now. Shall we go? Hold on a minute. Yeah, episode whatever it was. I've basically done it. I'm just trying to sort out the music part at the moment. I've got another one after that I haven't even touched yet. Probably won't have music on it, I don't know yet. So, and then it'd be this one. So I can't remember off the top of my head what episode number one is, whatever it says on the screen. So this is just a short one really. I'm just doing this as a small introduction video, going off to Great Cheverell again. You may remember in one of the episodes, whatever it was, that we did Great Cheverell. And so I said in that video that I'd show you the other part that comes out Great Cheverell back to Lavington. I said that road is just as bad as it is going up to Great Cheverell. So we're going to do that later on. So I should do the run, come back to Great Cheverell. I shall park on the little slip road lay-by bit further up the road, and then record that little section there. It's going to take 5 minutes, if that. It's not very far to be honest, because you go from Great Cheverell, and then you go into Little Cheverell, and then you're at the crossroads at Lavington. So it's not very far, but it's very twisty. What the hell are you doing here? I know we're taking on a bend, but there we go. Thing is, I'm on a B road. I've washed the coach, I don't get too dirty. But the ledges are wet, so I don't want to be too far on the ledge on the left hand side. So although I could do 50, I'm just wanting to poodle down here 40, 45 mile an hour to keep myself safe. But unfortunately, everyone down this road wants to do about 100 mile an hour. It's pretty common, to be honest. So yeah, this is. What was I going to say? I can't remember now. We're on the Worton Road, which I've covered in at least 2 videos off the top of my head, probably even 3 to be honest. So yeah, just on the way now. Don't want to pull over and well, I said I haven't got time to pull over to be honest. I would say I might turn the camera around, pull in somewhere and do that, and then we'll see what joys I can see at Great Cheverell. But we've got time to pull over to do that. Might probably keep this running and edit it anyway. Maybe keep this recording at Great Cheverell if something happens. If not, I won't bother. As you know, I think I said then, you know, no 2 days are the same going up that road. Sometimes you can get a clear run and you don't meet anything, or like the other day when I went up there was 2 home fuel trucks up that road, i.e. crossing each other in the narrow part, the top of the hill, just before that lay-by. So that's fun because the truck couldn't get, well, he could get by, but he had to put his mirror in on the left hand side into a tree, that folded in. That's the traffic lights, thank you very much sir. Let me through. Well, I have found a camera, microphone, well I say attachment, a microphone piece. I've seen these other people on YouTube doing it, and that's what I wanted. It some sort of little box thing with a microphone up there. So I'm still looking into that. It's a bit more complicated than I thought. I thought you might just have this piece and somehow links to your GoPro camera. But it seems that you need a few bits to go on the GoPro to go with the microphone. So still thinking about it and working on how it works. These Blacktop Crossroads now. So yeah, hopefully I'll have one of those soon. And I've looking at a magnet clip, GoPro magnet clip I think it's called. It's like a little brick piece like that. The camera goes on the end so you can clip it onto something like this. Then it might be a different aspect, it might work, you know, having a camera here facing that way, you might be able to see the cameras and the view. What I get a bit more easily than having the window attachment up there or the tripod up there. Didn't even see how much the microphone attachment was actually, but I know you need a microphone for the GoPro itself and a unit around the GoPro, like a frame or something like that. Put these cars out because I'm going to turn right. Road up to Great Cheverell now. See what joys we've got up here. Still got the traffic lights on the bridge. Hopefully I can get up the other end. Looks like it. Just the problem is down here they've got traffic lights on the lane right at the bottom here. It's a bit of a squeeze if something's wet at the lights, if they're not parked in the right place. Looks like they're trying to give me some room. And here we are near the other end, near that lay-by. Going to pull into there. Got through unscathed this time. Luckily. Here we are. Right, I shall see you a bit later on. The video coming up later. Okay, see you in a bit. Right, so here we are. We've just turned left out of Great Cheverell. Just a little pull-in bit there. I've just put the camera attachment on, put it onto the window. So this is just this little mini stretch to Lavington. As I say, won't even take 5 minutes. Although when I came down here earlier on, there was some road, well, it's not really road work, so you just had the other carriage lane combed off while they were brushing some leaves or dead tree bits or something like that. Probably the worst place you can think of, really. So, but at least they had a watch out man to make sure there's no traffic coming the other way. So nearly had his cone out as well. Right, so here we are, Little Cheverell. I mean, you know, this bit ain't too bad. It's just the next part from about here, really. It's the worst part. So 40-mile-an-hour limits, but we're keeping that as a limit. We're doing 30, 35 at an absolute max. So we're coming into 30 here. The road's dipping down. I'm doing 30, but I'm putting the retarder on full. So I want to slow down for this pinch point here. Now it's a bit narrow here, so just checking the traffic down there. It's all clear, so I can use the road, but I'm not going to accelerate too much, just in case something does come around that blind bend there. I've got enough time to brake. So we're braking even harder now because we've got this blind bend here. The cones are gone, so that's good. We don't have to negotiate that bit again. It was just here they had this, where that red car is, was coned off. Okay, so you can imagine that was quite interesting. So we come to this right, and then you've got a real sharp left here, absolute blind bend. And at 10 miles an hour, that's still too fast, you know. So I'm pulling out to the right, giving myself some visibility so they can see me. Now I can pull to the left more because I've got some room over to the left. So there we go. I'm tucking now to the left. Right, van man, there we go. Stop here. Let him get past. To the blind bend here. Car coming, so I should pull into the left. Oh, no, okay, thank you. Took a lorry behind who's having the same fun as I am. And sometimes you get horse boxes, well, horse lorries even come down here. And that's quite interesting when you meet them in that pit just back there, which happened before. And you know, a couple of times it's people who don't know how to drive the horse lorry in the first place. Okay, you could go in there, but sorry, I don't really have much time for people. Could have pulled in there and just waited. Just for 2 seconds, but they just plough on through. So I think, well, you can, you know, you can try and squeeze me. You can try, blah 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 blah. You can try and squeeze past me if you want, but you know, you put yourself in that position. Make it harder for yourself. That's up to you. Right, and here we are. This is the crossroads at Lavington. I think one of the videos we had here ended just, we came in from the left and turned down the road there on the left. What is straight on here. And turning right. Road to the left, clear, clear, yeah, left, and down we go. Well, there we go. What did that take? 3 minutes, maybe? Might be 5 minutes, but yeah, so that's the end of that video. As I say, a short clip there on this lorry. Thank you. So, hope you liked that. As I say, this isn't a major video, as I say, like some of the other ones. Just to cover that other section, that was all. So anyway, hope you like this video, like and subscribe for more.